Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve one question from quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most high scoring also, as it requires only your numerical and computing skills and your knowledge of mathematics from class 6 to class 10 for basically any competitive examination for. Okay, now let's see what is in this question. There are two temples, one on each bank of a river just opposite to each other. One temple is 54-meter high, and from the top of this temple the angle of depression of the top and the foot of the other temple are 30° and 60° respectively. Now we have to find the height of the other temple. So suppose this is a temple with height 54 and the next temple, let the height of this temple is x, and as we can see from these given options, it must be that 54 is greater than x. Now the angle of depression of the top of the other temple is 30°, and the foot is 60°. Okay, we do not know the distance between these two temples, so let this is y. Okay, now rename these points A, D prime, B, C and D. Okay, now we can say that this angle is equals to 60° and this angle is equals to 30°. So here we assume that the height of the other temple is x meter, therefore we can write d prime b is equals to dc, d prime b is equals to dc, and a d prime is equals to 54 minus x. Now in triangle ABC, the angle tan 60°, the tan of the angle 60° is 54 by y, or we can write AB by BC. Now tan 60 is root over 3, therefore we get root over 3 is equals to 54 by y, hence y is equals to 54 by root over 3. Okay, now in the triangle AD prime D, in this small triangle where we have the 30°, here if we take tan 30°, we get AD prime divided by D prime D, where AD prime is the perpendicular and D prime D is the base, and this implies 1 by root 3 is equals to 54 minus x, as AD prime is 54 minus x and D prime D is equals to y. Hence from this we get y is equals to root over 3 multiplied by 54 minus x. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now combining these two equations we get, combining 1 and 2, we get 54 divided by root over 3 is equals to root over 3 multiplied by 54 minus x, and this implies that 54 is equals to 3 multiplied by 54 minus x. Hence we get 54 is equals to 162 minus 3x, and now we get 3x is equals to 162 minus 54. Therefore x is equals to 108 divided by 3, which is equals to 36 meter. Therefore x is 36 meter. Hence the option C is the correct answer. Okay, so we have solved this question, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants, then you can join our classes. So feel free to drop a message at 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sarasasclasses.com. Thank you very much.